Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra versus Corvette C8. Let's dive into their core differences. The Corvette C8 stands out with its mid-engine design, which significantly improves balance and handling, giving it a distinct feel. In contrast, the Toyota Supra maintains a classic front-engine, rear-wheel drive setup, offering a more traditional sports car experience. Despite these layout differences, both vehicles deliver exhilarating acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in impressive times. Moving to what powers these machines, the Corvette C8 boasts a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine, unleashing an impressive 495 horsepower. This raw power translates into thrilling performance. The Toyota Supra, on the other hand, is equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering 382 horsepower. While both are powerful, the C8 generally offers a higher top speed, exceeding 190 miles per hour, compared to the Supra's 155 miles per hour. When it comes to the driving experience, the Corvette C8 truly feels like an exotic, track-ready machine, offering precise handling and a visceral connection to the road. The Toyota Supra, while still very sporty, provides a more nimble and engaging ride that feels equally at home on winding roads or during daily commutes. Inside, the C8 features a highly driver-centric cockpit with advanced technology and premium materials. The Supra's interior is also well-appointed, cleverly integrating BMW components for a refined yet sporty feel. Considering value, the Corvette C8 typically starts around $68,000, providing immense performance for its price point. The Toyota Supra, with a starting price of approximately $55,000, offers a more accessible entry into the sports car segment. Ultimately, the better car depends on your priorities: raw power and exotic feel with the C8, or a nimble, engaging daily driver with the Supra. Both are fantastic choices. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.